Hello friends, today we have another interesting problem. Problems on ages, problem number 3rd. This type of problems are asked in competitive exams like CAT, MAT, GMAT, MBA, Bank PO, SSC, Railway exam, UPSC exam, etc. So today I am going to explain how to solve this type of problems. Let's start. The ratio of the present ages of A and B is 8 is to 9. After 9 years, the ratio will become 19 is to 21. C is 3 years younger than B. What is the present age in years of C? So let the present ages of A and B is 8x and 9x respectively. So after 9 years, A age will be 8x plus 9 and B age will be 9x plus 9 and their ratio is 19 is to 21. So 21 and here we write 19. So this implies 168x plus 189, this is equal to 81 8 and 171x plus 171, and this implies 189 minus 171 equal to 171x minus 168x. This implies we have 18. So 18, this is equal to 3x. This implies x equal to 6. Now x equal to 6. So A is age. This is equal to A's present age. A's present age. We can write like that. A's present age equal to 8x. This is equal to 8 into 6 equal to 48 years. B's present age equal to 9, x equal to 9 into 6 equal to 54 years. Now here it is given C is 3 years younger than B. So C's present age equal to 54 minus 3 equal to 51 years. So C's present age is 51 years. Therefore, C is the correct answer, 51 years. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more such type of questions, there are the links in the description where you can find the questions those are asked in competitive exams. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.